All right, second graders, today instead of learning some new material, we are going to review what we learned last week about the CKs. Okay, so let's take a look at this. A long time ago, we learned the floss rule. No, not the rule your dentist told you about, the one about flossing your teeth every day. The floss rule reminds us that if we spell a word that is one syllable and has a short vowel, we have to double the letters F, L, S, and Z. So why isn't it called the floss rule? I don't know. I didn't make it up. We double the F in puff. We double the L in shell. We double the S in floss. We double the Z in fuzz. Last week, we learned that the k sound also can't stand on its own in a one-syllable word that has a short vowel sound. Remember what the short vowel sounds are? Apple, egg, igloo, octopus, and umbrella. Okay, we don't double the C or the K. However, we just use CK. So here are some words that are spelled with CK. Stick. You hear the igloo, and then I-C-K. Lock has the octopus, and then CK. Duck. Umbrella, and CK. When we tap it out, duck. The CK is one sound, k. Okay? Back and peck. Okay? Remember, we only spell the k sound with CK at the end of one-syllable words that have short vowel sounds. So I want us to look at these words. They're all spelled correctly, and I want us to try to figure out why do these not end with CK. Look at the word fake. Why do you think it doesn't end with CK? It's fake. It has a long A sound, not a short A. Fake. It doesn't say apple, it says A. Fake. Okay, how about this word? When we tap it out, weak. Why does weak end with K and not CK? It has a long E sound, not a short E. It's not it's weak. Okay, how about this word? When we tap it out, we go pork. Why does that not have a CK? It has an R-controlled sound, or. It doesn't have a short O. It's not octopus. This is an R-controlled or. Okay, how about this word? Hike. Tap it out, it's like hike. Why doesn't it have CK? It has a long I sound, not a short I. And how about the last word? Mark. Why doesn't that have a CK at the end? Mark. It also has an R-controlled sound. It has R. Ark. Mark. Okay. So now let's try to spell some words with a k sound at the end. Try to decide if it needs a CK at the end or not. Okay? So you don't have to write it, but we're going to pretend like we're at school and you're sitting on the carpet and I'm up by the whiteboard, and maybe I have one person come up to spell it and write it on the board, but all of us go, we tap it out, and then we spell it. Okay, so the first word is stuck. Let's tap it out. Stuck. Did you hear a short U sound or a long U? Stuck. Short U. So it's going to end with CK. Stuck. S-T-U-C-K. Stuck. Okay, the next word is check. Like, don't forget to check your email. Check. We tap it out, it goes check. Okay, do you hear a short vowel sound? Yeah. Short E, so it has CK at the end. Check. C-H-E-C-K. The next word is take. Like, take your time. Take. Tap it out. Take. Do you think we need to use CK? No, because that's a long A. Take has a long A. So this is an A consonant E word. Okay, how about the next word? Shark. 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 Do you think it ends with CK? Nope, it doesn't. If you were thinking that's an R controlled sound, that's right. We don't need CK after R controlled sound, just after short sounds. Okay, how about pack? We'll pack our bags. Pack. Ack. Pack. Do you think it needs CK? It does, because this is a short A. Apple. Ack. Pack. And the last word is mask. Ask. Mask. This one's kind of tricky because I hear a short A, but what do you think? There's no CK. Remember, the reason we do CK is because that sound can't stand on its own. But if you already have an S here, then the K goes with it. It's like a blend. Remember that blend, the ending blend, sk. Okay, so if it has another consonant with that sound, you don't have to use CK.